Age 10 and above, anybody can able to sketch like this on their sketchbook. It's not rocket science. You can learn this. For this, you need to learn first how to sketch the shapes properly. So when you become a good at how to sketch shape properly, then we can able to help you to turn the shapes into become a form. When the person can able to sketch the shapes and turn the into become a form, the person can able to sketch, able to learn and able to implement the characters proportions properly. So once you reach on that stage, the next stage, the final stage is very easy to improve on the strokes quality, line quality in the look and feel. Okay, that's it. If you reach these three stages, you can able to sketch like this on your sketchbook. To know more about how to learn this, what will be covered in each stages, join my 45 minutes free demo class. I will explain everything about the course, about the process, learning, who can learn, whether you can able to learn or not. I am also will sketch and show all the details. It sounds good. If it's making you interesting, then you click the link below and join my free demo class. I will see you there.